Hi students, I wanted to make this quick video so that I can make sure you see all the comments that I've left on your essay drafts that were due last Friday. I made those comments over the weekend, and the final draft is going to be due this coming Friday, the 14th. So I want to make sure that you see all the feedback that I left for you. So in order to see the feedback, the way that I get there is I go to the grades. All right, you can see here in my test student, I haven't been very good about turning everything in. But here I turned in the Friday lesson. Okay, I got 8 out of 10. All right, and you can see here that there's comments from the teacher, and you can see that there is a rubric. I can click here to see the rubric. And I can also click here to see the general comments. But on some of your papers, I also left annotations, excuse me, inside the essay. And so unfortunately, the way that you see that is you have to click on the assignment like I did there. And then you can click this button that says View Feedback. All right, and then the last click you need to make is make this big so you can see. So you can see that I've highlighted on the document, right? And I've asked questions in the margin for this student. Make sure to use the author's last name, I said here. Is that the thesis? All right, and just a test. So this is what the comments for me will look like on your document. I think that's it. That's how you go to see comments. If I want to get back out of it, just like that. Hopefully that helps. Please make sure to take a look at my comments and improve your essay so that you get a great grade on your final essay that you'll turn in on Friday. Thanks. Bye-bye.